Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and today we're going to be making Adenge. I have already made a twist on this soup. The only difference is I'm making today, this one is going to have Egusi soup. It's going to have Egusi soup as its base and not just a plain local stew which we call pocho in Tivland. Tivland is in Benue State. Benue State is in Nigeria. Nigeria is in West Africa. Yeah. All right. So as I said in the first version of this video for this recipe, Adenge soup. This is called Adenge. It's a bean peel soup. It is very easy to make. The only difference today is that I'm going to be adding Egusi to pump up the flavor level, the taste level, and also give it a different kind of texture and feel and taste, of course. So the main thing you're going to do is wash this properly, make sure that there are no particles, and then you soak them for a while meaning nothing less than 30 minutes. The next thing we're going to do is to boil our Egusi. So today was a kitchen day for me. I spent whole day in kitchen, so you have to do things in a way that will make life easy for me. So I was gonna use Egusi for about 3 different soups. So the first thing I did basically was to make sure that the Egusi was boiling and cooking way before I was ready to cook this soup. So our Egusi is already very boiled. As you can see, look at the oil gathering at the top. So that is how you know your Egusi is well cooked, when the oil starts separating. So I separated a little bit of the Egusi that we're going to use for this recipe, added a big spoon of pepper, and then dried powdered locust bean, and upehe, which is baye in Tiv language. So nune and baye, dried powdered, added, and then I'm obviously going to add the fresh one, of course. And then also I'm adding stockfish. You guys, in my Tiv soups, you already know, if you're familiar with my channel, I don't really put meat in my Tiv soups. I prefer the meat in the pocho aspect because I always pair my soups together. But for this one, I just wanted to add stockfish just to give it a different flavor, feel, and different taste. So while that boiled, I'm going to use the remaining Adenge that we have to pour into this to mix with the Egusi. And that's basically it. The next thing to do with this soup is just to wait for it to boil. The Egusi is already well boiled. If it's not, you have to wait before adding your bean peels. But my Egusi is super boiled, and then my adenges have been soaking as well. I don't know if that's the correct plural form, but I just said that. So yeah, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. My name is MDEVAAN. Please share this video. I love you. Thank you.